Question 7, Vincent's trying to parallel park. He's not doing his driving test like Yolanda was earlier. He's just trying to parallel park. And so his attempts at parallel parking are going to follow a geometric distribution with the probability P of success. There's part A. The assumptions are that each attempt will be independent, that just because he's crashed on the previous one doesn't affect his confidence going into the next one, and it would be that the probability is the same. P is consistent all the way through. The size of the spaces are the same, the traffic around is the same, so the probability of success stays the same. Possibly that's unlikely. So part C, for some reason we've figured out that the probability that x is equal to 2 is 0.16, but we don't know what the probability of passing is. We're going to have to work it out. So the probability of parking successfully on the second attempt is parking successfully times by the first one being a failure, equals 0.16. So we've got a quadratic equation here, haven't we? So p squared minus p plus 0.16 equals 0, and just solving that gives you p equals 0.2 or p equals 0.8. We were told that the probability was less than 0.5, and so the chance of parking correctly is 0.2, as it was in my last question that I did, which was number 5. And it continues with the same things. So the expected value of x is 1 over 0.2, which is 5, and the variance of x is 1 minus p over p squared, which also we know from question 5, that was 20, wasn't it? Or we could just tap it in the calculator and find out. Of course, it wasn't difficult to do, but it's quite fun sometimes to play about with a calculator and show that if we actually did n-solve, we can n-solve this. So we want to do n-solve distributions, a geometric distribution, the geometric probability distribution. We wanted 2 successes, but we didn't know the probability, so we call that x. And we want that to equal 0.16, don't we? And we want to find out what x is. Close brackets. And will it tell us 0.2? It will. It will tell us 1/5. Wonder why it's given us only the one answer and not the 2. But there you go, 1/5.